Hello, little friends. It's me, your happy hobby storytime bunny. Want to turn cold winter nights into cozy family moments? A winter reading nest creates the perfect space for comfort, connection, and magical reading time. Let's hop to it.
Cold winter weather is ideal for cozy indoor reading activities. A dedicated reading nook helps children relax and focus. Soft blankets and pillows create instant comfort. Comfortable seating encourages longer read aloud sessions. Warm lighting sets a calm and soothing mood. Fairy lights add a magical winter touch. Winter-themed books bring snowy stories to life. Reading aloud supports early literacy development. Cozy spaces help children feel safe and secure. A reading nest strengthens family bonding in winter. Sensory elements make reading more engaging.
Well, my little friends, wasn't that a hoptastic adventure?